busy. We dropped off that Jeep right there. Now we're going to pick up Sonata or something like that. And after we pick up the Sonata, we gotta go pick up that same Bentley that we dropped off yesterday. So stay tuned, guys. So there's been busy, so I'm gonna just try to make a video. You feel me? Let's go. Let's see how the day treats us. Pop on the U-turn inside the gas. Well, look at the gas station, the Western Beef. So like that, I can get up out of here. Oh my gosh. Just a mission, just to sprint around. It's crazy. Tell me how I'm blocking traffic for this guy. So he could go because he's stuck in the middle of the street. And he still don't even move. Like, he just sits there like an idiot. Sometimes, man, you can't just sit around and let people bully you. Sometimes you gotta be the bully. Because if not, you're never gonna get anything done over here. We almost there, but I don't understand. Like, everywhere I've been going today has just been traffic central. Can't stand it today. Customer states that the car runs, but it just dies out. So, this dumbass person, bro. So right now I'm just moving over to her side so I can see what's going on. 2 seconds, guys. I tried helping the ambulance, but that didn't go as planned. Turn my lights off. And let's go to Yonkers to jump off this car. Thank God the car was able to drive onto the bed. Now we're on the way to Yonkers. Dealing with people's stupidity and all this freaking traffic. I found that pretty cool. This guy came all the way from PA to jump off this goddamn cab. We are about to arrive at the dealership. And then from here we have to go get some fuel because we have more running out. Oh. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Yeah, we're here. We're active. Alright, sweet. Everybody turning with me. And your boy have arrived at the dealership. Get in there. Let's put this bed away. And let's go pick up this Bentley. It's going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Goodbye, Kia. Out for me. Just pull the bed out. Do what I gotta do over here. Put the wood down. Situate everything so get out. Grab my glove. I don't know about you guys, but it gets dark and it looks like it want to rain. So let me get the straps out the way, put the straps out, and get to work. The wood placed down, the strap is out of the way, and this is the car that we're picking up. This is the car right here. This is the one I brought in yesterday. Beautiful car. This goddamn car got 2 batteries. That's crazy. And just like that, the car is loaded. Put the strap right here. So like that, now I can just tilt, pick the butt up, release pressure off the wood, bed in, tilt. I'm gonna grab the rest of the straps, and I'm gonna put my straps on and show you guys once I have everything strapped down and ready to go. So car is on the bed, strapped up, nice and clean, and we're ready to hit the road. Tell me you from New York without telling me you from New York. We're unloading the car for storage. I got a jump start, but I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. World Game On Point. And yeah, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications. You can get alerted every single time I post a new video.